speed tracks to global fashion industry. Tara, unbox tayo. What is good, fam, and welcome back to another video, another day, another hustle for us. So for today, we are going to unbox two of the most iconic and most hype pairs that is released this July. So I can't wait. So tara, start na tayo. So first is, eto, sobrang excited ako dito, guys, dahil kailan ba natin siya nakuha? Like mga few days ako lang, pero grabe, sobrang hype na ako dahil this pair was released in early 2000s and it was supposedly released lang para sa mga race car drivers, specifically ng Formula 1. Pero so nung mga early 2000s, it began to mapasok ang fashion industry. So this is the Puma Speedcat OG in all-time red colorway, guys, in full suede material. What I like about most of this pair is, guys, number one is yung materials, guys, sobrang solid talaga. This is in a full suede na materials ang ginamit. Kung makikita nyo dito sa sides, meron siyang Puma in gold shiny material. So this sneaker was inspired dahil sa mga Formula 1 racers. So makikita nyo parang speed tracks na design dito sa may sides, and then makikita nyo yung embroidery ng Puma dito sa may bandang front. At the same time, dito naman sa may tongue, guys, makikita nyo rin yung shiny na Puma logo nila. On the inside, same pa rin, makikita nyo parang speed track na design in a white suede pa rin na material, guys. So I think few years back meron silang collaboration ng Sparco, which is makikita nyo parang may pagka-tires design yung likod with the Puma all-time red logo sa gitna. So yan, one of the most hype siya, guys, this July dahil it is sold out on online at the same time sa mga in-store releases. It also came with the black colorway, pero ang most hype is itong all-time red, guys. So what do you think about this pair? Is this a cup or drop for you? Pero sa akin, I was trying to get my size on this. By the way, the sizing, yung sizing niya, guys, is true to size. So if ever you usually wear size 9 on Nikes, go for size 9. So yeah, next up, dito naman tayo sa gilid lang natin to. Dito naman tayo, guys, sa second the most hype release this July. So this is the Jordan 1 Low. You already know, Jordan 1 Low Paris. So isa rin sa mga nagustuhan ko dito, guys, sa pair na to is this is also a suede material sneakers with a, makikita nyo dito, may PRS na nakalagay sa may gilid niya. Pwede nyo siyang alasin pag ginamit nyo. At the same time, meron din sa likod, wala pa siyang nakalagay. So yeah, added na style ng sapatos. So makikita nyo dito sa may bandang heel tab, this is a full suede na merong parang stamp ng Wingman logo. And then dito sa side, gumamit sila sa may swoosh part ng tumbled leather. Also sa may inner part. Pero dito sa inner part niya guys, kung makikita nyo, para siyang may dotted na leather na ginamit. Tapos dito sa may bandang gitna naman guys, gumamit naman sila ng soft leather, soft suede na para siyang leather guys. So dito naman tayo sa front, may kita nyo full suede on a para siyang wolf gray dito sa may toe box. Yan, sa may bandang toe box. The same time dito naman sa may tongue, may kita nyo yung Jumpman logo printed in gold colorway. So sobrang linis lang siya guys na pair. So this pair was released I think few years back, and sobrang mahal niya guys dahil yun nga kung makikita nyo, quality wise, material wise, and also with the color blocking, sobrang linis lang talaga ng pair na to. And yeah, this was priced before, I think naglalaro siya ng mga 12 to 14,000 pesos dito sa Philippines. But dahil nag-release sila ulit, so medyo mas bumaba yung pricing nila. Pero still, this is a very, very good, very nice pair dahil sobrang dali lang niyang bagayan. Also pala, dito sa may inner sock liner niya guys is hindi siya white para siya may pagka baby blue na design. Also sa may insole naman, kung makikita nyo, meron silang parang printed na gold na Jumpman logo dyan. So yeah, overall for me, kung hindi kayo masyadong maingat sa mga suede materials, I think this is not the pair for you. Pero if you're more on like white or medyo mga clean type of pair, so this is a must have for you guys dahil this is the time dahil medyo mas nagmura na yung Paris release netong July. At the same time, we are not sure kung magre-release pa sila nito ulit. Pero yeah, let me know down the comments kung ano bang masasabi nyo dito sa two of the most hype release this July. If you are Team Puma, comment down below. Team Puma. Pag dito naman sa Jays, Team Jays. Alright? So yeah, this is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this video. Kita-kits tayo on the next one.